Hmm. So today's agenda is we are going to take connect to this router remotely. Means first we will try to remotely means like there are process like SSH and Telnet. So in this particular video, our focus will be how we are going to configure and enable a Telnet like a protocol something like that, and how can we connect with to this router remotely. Okay, so we have a router, take a switches, this is a switch, and then we'll take some pieces, one two three. Okay, this is more than enough. Hmm, take some wires. Okay, make connection like this, like this, like this. So now I'm going to give IP, like we'll give IP 192.168.1.1. Okay. Hmm. And race IP will allocate using DHCP configuration. Okay, dynamic host configuration protocol. So that's the other concept. We can assign IP manually, like a static IP also, but I'm going to give IP that is dynamically. No. Enable configuration terminal. Now interface. First it's in geoslice. IP address. IP address. 92.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. Okay. No shutdown to make it on like that. Now we have assigned IP. Now create a pool. Exit from here. IP DHCP pool. Name of the pool now. So I will give my pool. Okay. Network. Network ID. Which network? The same. 192.168.1.0. 255.255.255.255.0. Okay, this is network. This is network. Now default gate router 192.168.1.1. We can give DNS, but it's up to you whether you want to give or not. 8.8.8.8 Google DNS. Now we have given DNS. We have configured. Now host name we are going to give DHCP server. So okay. So host name got changed here. DHCP server. So basically this is not a router. We have configured our router as a DHCP server. Okay. Now we are done with this also. What? So now this PC will have IP automatically if we click on DHCP. So it will get IP. See here it got IP. Initially if it was static then we are going to assign by here, like we will write manually like here. Now it's got the IP by itself. Okay. And one thing we can do also, like if we feel like mm, with that's need of that here, now need of that. So this will also get IP. Okay, it's got IP. It will also get IP. See here, everyone got the IP. We can ping anyone, like if you want to. Exit from the first. Ping 192.168.1.4. Okay. If any there is 4, then it will get pinged. Okay, see it is getting pinged here. 80% success, 100% success. So this device is getting pinged here. Similarly, now this is not our work actually. We are going to do something else here actually. So our main thing is we are going to remotely access this. Okay. Basically, it's a router only, so we are going to access that. Now what we are going to do? Where we are. Okay. So now let's configure terminal. Okay, so now we are going to create a virtual terminal. So line VTY and just give a question mark here. It will give like 0 to 15 connection. You can like a 0 to 15 total 16 devices can simultaneously can access this router. Okay, but we are not going to give that much access. We have three computers, so I will keep one for that not have access and two we are going to use. So how 101? It means that two devices got access. Okay, will get access. So two, 0, 1, 2, three devices. 0, 3, 0 to 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, four devices like that. Okay, so we are going to give only access to three devices. Now login local. Okay, next we are going to transport input and just question mark. See, we are going to do now only with telnet. Okay, so transport input telnet, right? Okay, now we have done this. Next is our like we are going to give a username, like later username just legend and password is also legend spelling. So check your spelling actually. Legend. Okay, now we are back to the normal, right? Now we're going to enable a password. Also enable password 1, 2, 3. This will be password for the router, getting entry into the router, and this is a user ID password for telnet connection. Okay, so when we are going to access using telnet, so we need to give user ID and password, and this is the password for connecting to router. When you want to enter into the router, you want to access configuration mode or prevalence mode. So for that, now back. Okay, now come here and desktop cmd. First ping that actually 192.168.1.1. Yeah, you are getting reply. We can ping now. Telnet. What's the IP? 192.168.1.1, right? What's the username? So we have given username Legion and password we have given Legion. So see, same thing we got here DHCP server and here also DHCP server actually. We are here actually. Control Z. It's it. We are here. See. Now if I do here enable. Okay, see it's asking for password 1 to 3 is a password. Okay, similarly for this PC we have given, right? So here when we'll do enable, now it is asking the password 1 to 3. I think 1 to 3. So we are able to access everything. So this is what remote access for this PC we have now. We have given access to only two PC, right? Now try for this. Seeing that try on for 168.1. Yeah, we're getting reply now. Telnet 192.168.1.1 Legion. Okay, see we are giving able to get access. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Now try for this. What we are going to get in this? uh, Telnet 192.168.1.1. See here, trying to reach open connection and individual foreign because we have given access to only two systems. So if one system will close, then only the system can access. How? See, suppose that it exists from here. It's a no connection, right? Now come here. This will get connected. Username. So means only two user can access it at a time. Okay, this is what. Now we can do the every work we want to do. So yeah, this what we wanted to do and we are done with that. So okay. Hope this is how we given remote access using Telnet. Next, we are going to learn about how we are going to give remote access using SSH. SSH like Telnet is a way to transfer data in text, plain text. Plain text means like if we are transferring any data, then plain text means anyone can read. If anyone can intercept that data, it is readable. Anyone can read. But when you're transferring data with SSH, means your data is getting encrypted, so no one can read. Ideally, no one can read. Like means there are many methods, so it can be cracked. But in Telnet, it simply it can read. I can read without any using any other method. So this is what difference.